Okay, class, get your math morning workout. Let's review. This is week 13, day 3. Use the area model to solve 3 times 1 and 4600. 3 times 1 and 4600. Madison.
So you're going to do 3 times 1 is 3.
3 times 1 is 3.
And then you're going to do 4 times 3, which is 12, but you're going to put 1.2 tenths.
3 times what?
4.
4 tenths, which is what?
1.2.
1.2.
And then you're going to do 6 times 3, which is 18, but you're going to add a 0 and a decimal.
So it's 18 what? 1800. We're going to sum it all up. 3 plus 1.2 plus 1800 equals what?
Equals 1.33.
4 and 30.
4 and 30. 30 what?
30. Can I get someone to help her? Yes.
It is 4 and 38 hundredths.
4 and 3800. Lydia, good job. Good job, Madison. Way to get us started. Number 2. What is the polygon's name? Is it A, B, C, or D? Nate. A. What is A? Heptagon. Good, Nate. Everybody got that? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to move on. Good job. Write the time. What time is it? What time does that clock show? Haley.
10:20.
10:20. Good. Everybody's got that?
Yes,
Give me a thumbs up. Good. 4. Find the difference of 5 7 minus 6 14 equal Tamina. What's the first thing we need to do, Tamina?
Go to the bottom ones and
Which is called what?
the dividend.
The denominator?
Yeah,
The denominator has to be, we have to find a common denominator, right? You want to help her out, Jessica? You need some help? Okay, let's get some assistance from Jessica.
You're gonna do 7 times 2, which equals 14.
7 times 2 equals 14.
And
So
then
you have to do the same thing to the top number, right?
Okay.
Which is
10.
10. 5 times 2 is 10.
10.
Okay,
And
good.
then we just leave 6, 14. We do minus 6, 14. And that gives us 4 14. But since it's even, we can simplify it and it equals 2 7.
2 7. Very good. Good teamwork. Excellent teamwork. Everybody get that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You ready to move on? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Number 5, 685 times 27. Amaria.
18,495. Yes.
18,495. What do we do, Amaria, to get to that, get to our answer?
First you gotta do 5 times 7, which is 35.
35.
You gotta put the 5 down and then carry the 3.
Carry the 3.
And then you do 7 times 8, which is 56.
Mm-hmm.
And if you do plus 3, that's 59.
59. Okay.
And
What else?
then you do 7 times 6, which is 42.
Do I carry the 5?
Wait, yes.
Yes, okay, carry the 5.
And then you add 5, which is 47.
47.
And then you put your placeholder.
Placeholder. Could you speak a little louder, please?
And then you do 2 times 5, which is 10.
2 times 5. We gonna cross this 7 out?
Yes.
We gonna cross this out?
Yes.
Good. 2 times 5 is what?
10.
10. What we do?
And then you do 2 times.
Do we carry the 1?
Oh, yes. And then you do 2 times 8, which is 16. And then you add the 1, which is 17.
Okay.
And then you carry the 1.
Carry the 1.
And then you do 2 times 6, which is 12, plus 1 is
13.
13.
And then we do what? We sum it up?
Yeah.
And that should give us 18,495. Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to move on. If you're not ready to move on, say, whoa. Okay, we ready to move on. Let's go with number 6. Complete the conversion table. What do we get? Jack.
100 centimeters.
1 meter equals what?
100 centimeters.
100 centimeters. 7 meters equals what we get when we convert it. DeAndre.
700 centimeters.
700 centimeters. Slam dunk, DeAndre. You're a basketball player. You just got a slam dunk. How about 12 meters? 12 meters. What do we get? Olivia.
1,200
1,200 what?
centimeters.
Centimeters. I'm sorry. I put my column in the wrong place. Then we had 1,200 centimeters. Everybody got that?
Yes,
All
sir.
right,
Sir.
let's move on. So today, we will be doing division with 2-digit divisors using the area model. Get out your markers in your packet, please. Your markers, Expo markers in your packet. You will need your markers and your Expo markers in your packet. Everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. The objective of this lesson, the students will be able to use the area model and knowledge of place value to divide up to 4-digit numbers. Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Number talk. Using our area model, we have an example, 513 divided by 19. Go ahead and write that problem down. 513 divided by 19. Let's talk about some vocabulary terms. What would our 513 be? Lydia.
A dividend.
A dividend. Very good. A dividend. Our 513 is our dividend. What about 19? What's 19, Omaria?
Divisor.
Our divisor. Very good. We have our dividend divided by our divisor. And what would our answer be? DeAndre.
Our quotient.
our quotient. Our answer would be our quotient. Okay? So we got 513. They use the tens, looking at 19 and 51 in that 513. What number did they use to come up with 10? 190? Yes. How did you come up with 190?
Because 19 times 10 is 190.
19 times 10 is 190. Then they came up with they subtracted 190 from 513. They came up with what?
323.
323. What do we do with 323?
You add. You bring it up.
You bring it up.
You bring it up. Okay, looking at 323, we're going to use a 10 again, right?
Yes, sir.
10 times 19 is what?
190.
190. Which is what? If you take it away from 323.
133.
133. What are we going to do with the 133?
We bring it up to the top of
We
your
bring it up to the top. So, can 133 be divided equally by 19?
Yes.
No, because it's not even.
Not even yes,
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can.
You can.
You can?
Yeah, you
Because if you can, it's 9.
Because 133 is
Hold on. Let's work it out. Let's see if 19 times 7 equals 133. Try it out. Try it out on your pack, on your jacket. And let me know if that will work.
19 times
19 times 7. What do you get? Always want to check your answers. Always want to check your numbers. Right?
7. Yes,
Yeah.
You would get 133. What's the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So if we divide, we're going to multiply to come up to check our answer, right? So we say 7 will work. 7 times 19 is what? 133. 133 minus 133 give us 0. What do we do with these numbers? We sum it all up. We sum it up. Go ahead and sum it up and see if you get 27. What do we get?
27.
27. How are we going to check our math?
Multiply.
Multiply. What do we multiply?
19 times 27.
19 times 27 give us what?
513.
513. Remember to raise your hand, okay? Raise your hand. 513. Very good. Let's move on to the next. So I'm going to give you a problem. I want you guys to try to work it out. Work it out with your groups, yes. Give you a couple of minutes. Talk within your group. Remember to use number sense. We want to look at what we want to look at when we are trying to use our number sense. Both. Like we want to look at our dividend and our divisor. How many times our dividend, our divisor can go into our dividend? The first two numbers. Take a look. That's a hint. one hint. Use our number sense. Use your number sense. Work together. Brainstorm. Work together.
For 50 plus 1, 2. No. How can we find one right now? Times 10 now.
We'll give you that 73.
13.
You gotta put it on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about it? What is this?
What about
What's my dad like this?
Yeah, right.
What's that?
We use 20, it would be easier, right? 20 times 20, right? 2 times 2 is 4, right?
This calculated is 90.
Right?
So we subtract 500 from 2. Subtract 500 from 210.
So our bottom number down here.
Y'all work together, got that one.
Make sure you put the 10 on.
What we got over here in this group?
I displayed it right when I got it.
Okay, so you use the 10.
So 4.
How about with
420.
with 20? 20 times 2 times 2 is 4, right? Wouldn't that be easy? Okay. You got it, right? Like one.
And the number half.
Look at the first one, 2 and the 5. How many times that 2 go in there? Right?
20 plus 80.
20.
What about 22?
That wouldn't.
Okay, and the 2 go into that box. How many times?
Yeah, Tina, how did you get 8?
What do you get? Anybody came up with an answer yet?
No, we're
Oh, I see you guys working really hard. Brainstorming. Good job. Good job, group 1. We almost there.
Drop the 10. Wait,
What do we got?
42.
Huh?
So we did 21 times 37. Wouldn't it be 5?
Good job. What we gonna do? What's the next step? Okay, what do you get?
80.
80. And then what's the next step? Take the 80. Do what? And you subtract it, you add it. Subtract it. What do you get? What's your total?
505.
What's the Okay. Write it down.
And then add 100.
No.
We got the answer.
Y'all got the answer?
We got the first
Let me
one.
see.
The answer is 25.
Yeah, 26 ain't right.
Now, multiply 25 times. Multiply your answer by that. See if you come up with it. Okay. Check your answer. Always check your answer.
We got
The
number
opposite of division is what?
Multiplication.
We got number 1. What is that? On the other one, it should put that in the I don't know how to make it. You got it. To get to this answer, you do it in more minus. Coach,
How about do it in 10? Do it in 10.
10 times.
10 times.
It's always fine. Wait, no, it's always, yeah. 2 times. Because it equals,
Yeah, 25 is the right answer.
wait a minute. Well, I got the answer with our original answer. Because I remember.
What do you got?
21 times 25 is equal
What's number
525.
I'm coming.
Huh?
Good job. Good job. Let me give you a big fat check.
What?
Excellent job. Good job.
It's not 10
Everybody get checked. Good job. What we have right here?
We have 25.
You got what?
25.
Let me, where's your answer? Give you a big fat check.
21 times
Good job.
And also, I'm actually confused.
On what?
We got the same answer with the original idea I got. Like, we got 25. Like, because 10 plus 10 plus 5. That's 25.
Right. You can do it that way? Yes. Good job. What do we got?
But it's from last night.
Oh, man, we making some moves. We get. Good job. Okay. Let's try it together, y'all. Everybody pay attention. Please have a seat. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Thank you. Where we at?
So you gotta do your box. Yeah, go to your box. Draw your box. And then you gotta do.
Look at that beautiful artwork.
And then you want.
That's why I am not an art teacher. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Well, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Yeah. Let's try this.
Now I wanna do your
All right. What goes here?
You gotta do your
21.
21.
21.
You gotta do your lines in the middle.
Okay. Do my line. One step at a time. Don't get ahead. What did I do next?
You put your
You
525 at the top.
500.
And then 20.
Hold
and then
on.
5.
Hold on. And then what?
20.
20.
20.
And then 5.
5.
It would.
Then you gotta part up the
And
box.
then you gotta part the box. You gotta do the box.
I'm getting better with my artwork.
Yeah.
All right.
Kind of.
So then you gotta do 500.
Alright. Hold on. So, how many times can this 2 go in that 5 using our number sense?
Twice. 4.
2 times. 2 times 2 equal what?
4.
We're gonna put a 4 here, right?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna put 500 in, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what else do we need?
And you're gonna try to find your, we're gonna put a 20 down at the bottom.
Is that right? 4 times 2 is what?
No.
4 times 2 is what?
8.
8. So we need what?
2.
2.
And then you're 0. And then you put
So we're gonna 2, 0, 20.
Yeah.
20 times 21 equals
420. 420.
420?
Yeah. Yes.
420.
And then you subtract that.
Hold on, remember, raise your hand, okay? Raise your hand, we're gonna subtract that, right?
Yes, sir.
What do we get? 500 minus 420? 80. 80. So what are we gonna do with our 80?
We're gonna look at that and we're gonna bring our.
We're gonna add 80 with 20. 20 plus 80 give us what?
100.
100.
And then bring our 100 over there to the 5.
No.
Hold on. What do we do with this 100?
You gotta
times it by, so you're gonna put a 4 down at the bottom.
4 at the bottom?
Yeah.
No, 5.
Because you gotta times it.
And we go 5, that would be
105.
105. So we're gonna go 4. Good job. We're gonna use 4, right? 4 give us what?
84.
84. What are we gonna do with that? 84.
We're
And
gonna
subtract.
Subtract. We're gonna subtract. Good. What do we get?
16.
16. 100 minus 84 give us 16. Very
Then you're
good
gonna
work.
bring the 16 over and add 16 plus 5.
16 plus 5. Good. 5 plus 16.
And then it gives you 21.
That equals 21.
And then you.
16, 21 divided by 21 give you what?
1.
1.
But you gotta put the.
One. Right?
You gotta.
And then once you
We
add
got
it, now you gotta.
21 times 1 equals
You
what?
gotta subtract
21 times 21 it equals what?
21.
21.
And then when you add it,
And then you
you
subtract 25. You subtract.
I'm sorry. You're going to subtract. You're right. 21 minus 21
equals 0.
equals 0.
Then you're gonna add all the ones.
What are we going to do?
Add the
Add
ones
all
up,
the
and then
ones.
it gives you 25.
20 plus 4 plus 1
Gives you 25.
equals what?
25.
So our quotient is what?
25.
25.
And
Good.
also, it gives you 525. If you,
That's our answer. 25. That's all we
it's
need.
in the,
We check our answer by what?
Multiplying.
Multiplying what?
25 times 25.
25 times 21. Very good. We're gonna go into our rotation. Let's do our rotation. Okay? Everybody look up on the board and see our rotation schedule. Group 1, back at the table with me. Group 2, trifles. Group 3, sturdy island, the division. Group 4, roller factor. The dice are up here along with our worksheet. Y'all put it there. Y'all put it there. I'll see y'all there. Okay. You can use either side. Either side. Okay. I want you to try this problem. 234 divided by 9. 234 divided by 9. Using the area model. Use your number senses. Yeah, divided by 9. What do we do first?
You gotta break the 234 down. You gotta
Gonna write our 9 on
9
outside.
on the side.
Good.
And then you're gonna put 200 at the top. And then you're gonna put 30. And then you're gonna put 4.
4.
And then you're gonna draw your line in your box. And then you're gonna.
What are you gonna do, Abby?
9 times 2, which gives you 18.
9 times 20. Okay. Which will give you what?
Which gives you 180.
Okay.
And then you subtract that, which gives you.
What do you get? 200 minus 180. What do we get? 20. What are we gonna do with that 20? Bring it over to the 30. We're gonna add it. We're gonna add it with the 30, right? 20, 30 plus 20. What do you give me? 50. Then you're gonna do what? 50. Find a multiple of 9. Okay. Which is what? 5. She said, Tamina says 5. 9 times 5 give us what? 45. What do we do? 50
minus 45 equals 5.
equals 5. And we do what? 5 plus 4. We add it to 4. 4 plus 5 is what?
9.
9.
And then you put down a 1 at the bottom. Then 9 minus 9 equals 0.
9 minus 9 equals 0.
And then you
What-
add the 1 that
We sum it up and what do we get?
26.
26. How do we check our answer?
We do
By
26 times 26 times 1, yeah.
26 times 9 give us what? 234. Ding, 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 ding. Is that right? Very good. Let's try one more. That is great work by y'all, this group. Let's try 374 divided by 11. Let's try that.
374.
374 divided by 11. What are we looking for? What's our first step?
300. You gotta put your 300. Well, you gotta put your 11. You gotta put your 300. Then you gotta put your 70. Then you gotta put your 4.
Okay.
And then you do.
What are you looking for, Tamina?
I'm looking for a thing that will get me closest to 300.
Closest to 300, all right? Which would be what?
11 times 50.
11 times 20. That's what Abby says. 11 times 20. 11 times 20 give you what? 220.
Which then you
What do you do with that?
subtract it.
You
from
subtract it from 300. Okay, what do we get?
Which gives you 80.
80.
Then you put the 80 over it.
80 plus 70. 80 plus 70 give us what? 150. What do you get, Nate? You got 150?
Okay, so you want to subtract 150 11, which gives you
11 times 10? Okay. 11 times 10.
and then you bring it
11 times 10 give you what?
11 times 10 is 110.
110.
And then you subtract
You subtract that from what?
you subtract 150 minus 415.
Okay, and give you what?
40.
40 plus 4 give you what?
44.
Even number.
44. How many times can 11 go into 44? Be divided by, can 44 be divided by 11 evenly? How many times? 11 times 4. Okay? 11 times 4 give you what?
44.
44 minus 44 it gives you what? 0.
Then you add the ones at the bottom together.
You add it up. You sum it up. What do you get?
34.
34.
And then if you multiply 34 to 10 to 11, which gives you 374.
34 times 11 give you 374. That's how you check in. Excellent. Rotate. Group 4 back here at the table with me. Bring your expo marker and whiteboard. Please. Group 1, you're doing your trifold. Group 2, you're doing study island. Group 3, you roll a factor. Thank you. We're gonna do 2 problems. Alright, first problem. I want you to do 234 divided by 9. Divided by 9. 234 divided by 9. What are we gonna do first? Jack, what are we gonna do first? 9 times 2 is 18. Oh, hold on. You're not telling me. 9 times, we're looking at how many times 9 will go into 23? Go into 200.
200 is
Yes. How many times that 9 will go into the 20?
20. 2 times.
2 times. Good. All right. So, do we need to add a 0? You need to put. Yes. They give us what? 20? 20 times 9 give us what? 180. What are we gonna do with? You're gonna subtract that 180 from 200. Leaves us what? What did it give us? 20. Then we're gonna do what with the 20? We're gonna carry it over. We're gonna add it to 30, right? Let's walk it through. Let's talk it through. Okay? 30 plus 20. 50. Good job. How many times can that 9 go into that 50?
5 times.
5 times. Jack said 5 times. 5 times 9 gives you what?
Equals 45.
45. And what we gonna do? 50 what? 50 minus 45 give us what? Leaves us what? 5. What do we do with our 5?
And then we put it over here.
Yes.
And then we take, and then they minus 4.
We add. We minus or
Oh
add.
yeah, we have.
Slow down. Okay. We add.
And then it equals 9.
Right. So we take 4 plus 5 and it gives us what?
9.
9. How many times that 9 go into 9?
1.
1. 9 times 1 equals
9.
9.
And once you add it all up,
It is 26.
Add it up and give us 26. How do we check that answer? What are we going to multiply?
26 times 9, and then it would get 230.
26 times 9 give us 234. Good. Good job. Where's the other